so today I have got an exciting video. I have got a perfume testing video again. So this perfume is from the original factory shop. It is called Eau de Noix. So this is the name of it, yeah. This is meant to be a dupe of Black Opium. One thing I'll say about because these are from a shop called the Original Factory Shop. These aren't cheap dupe perfumes. These are standalone perfumes in their own right. You know, they're not like the 99p perfumes from like Poundland and that. They are actually good perfumes in their own right. But I'm just doing a comparison video. So the quality actually, because I have tried some of the perfumes, are decent. But I will say, so this is what the bottle looks like. I would say it's very C. Like the bottle looks like a bit like, you know how the C bottles have that type of lid. This is what it looks like. They are smelling like fragrances. They do lots. They do lots. And up to now, ones I've tried have been good. So we're going to try this one. So this is meant to be obviously a dupe of Black Opium. There's plenty of dupes of Black Opium out there. But I must admit, I haven't found one that's like ever would replace Black Opium. So we're going to spray it in anyways. So it smells very similar. There's just something there. I say this all the time, don't I? I'm not the best at these perfume videos, but I like to film them. That's my dog. She's like a barrel. Yeah, but it smells very nice. Very nice. So we're going to spray Black Opium. Mine is nearly out. So I would say Black Opium is a little bit sweeter, whereas this has got that deepness already. You know what? There. So now my Black Opium's sinking into that deepness. But when you first spray Black Opium, I feel like you get that sweetness and then the deepness comes. Whereas this was like more like the stronger deepness note was straight there. And it's a little bit less sweet. But we're going to put it on the skin and test. And I always come back at the end of the day for you guys and let you know how it wears. So we're just going to spray quite a bit. And then we're going to spray on this side with the Black Opium. And then I'll tell you the difference. I'm going to whack them. Whack them. Sorry. Yeah, so straight off the bat, I would say they're very smell similar, which these aren't advertised. They're advertised as smell like. They smell very similar. Black Opium's just got that sweetness, and then the depth comes into it. It's like it's blended together better. Whereas this isn't, if you know what I mean. I'm going to come back to you and let you know how this wears and the other one wears. But yeah, I will say, I wouldn't say these were like a dupe. They smell similar, but yeah. Yeah, I can totally tell the difference. Totally tell the difference. Which is good then. Yeah, but I'll be back with you later on today anyways. Hello, so it's the end of the day. And I'm going to do the check-in because it's the end of the day. Oh, I've got a kitty cat. He's sneaking up. He's got snow all over him, so he's been in my tree. Right, so this is the budget side. It's still there. It's still not quite opium. Oh, and that is just 100% like boom there. So is this a dupe? I wouldn't say so, but it's a decent perfume for the price, but it's not a dupe. It's not a dupe, which is a shame, but it's not. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. And anyways, and I will see you all in my next one.